In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Asana effectively. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started with Asana, using tags can greatly enhance your workflow and organization. The process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll be able to categorize and prioritize your tasks with ease. To begin, you'll first want to access the specific project to which you plan to add tags. Navigate to your project list and click on the project you're currently working on. Once there, locate the task within the project that you want to tag. Open this task by clicking on it, which will bring up a detailed view on the right side of your screen. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of this task pane, where you will find 3 horizontal dots, often referred to as More Options. Click on these dots, which will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you will see Add Tags. Select this option to proceed. At this point, a field will appear allowing you to type in the name of the tag you wish to add. If you're using a new tag, simply type the name and press the Enter key or click on Create. This action will create a new tag attached to your task. Keep in mind that tags serve as powerful tools for sorting and filtering tasks, so choosing descriptive and relevant names is key to maintaining an organized workspace. After creating or selecting your tag, you'll notice the option to add a color to it. Tags are color-coded for quick visual reference, which can significantly speed up project reviews and task sorting. Click on the color palette icon and choose a color that best represents the tag's category or priority level. Once you have completed these steps, simply click anywhere outside the tag field. Your newly added tag will automatically save and attach to the task, making it easier to filter and search for later. Repeat these steps for any other tasks needing tags, ensuring a more organized and efficient project management system. And there you have it. Adding tags in Asana is as simple as clicking, typing, and saving. By incorporating tags into your Asana experience, you streamline task management, enhance your ability to prioritize, and maintain a clear overview of your projects. This seemingly small feature can bring great value to your daily workflow, helping you focus on what truly matters and navigate your tasks with clarity. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing in Asana.